Hello everyone, welcome to another TikTok Now tutorial. Now today I will show you how to delete a Now on TikTok. Basically TikTok Now is exactly the same copy as BeReal. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, this is my TikTok Now, or how you call it now, right? On TikTok Now. And you can actually go and click on it and delete it. But what you can do is you can go here to the icon in the right corner, and then here on your last 28 days you will see your memories. You can click on your BeReal here, and you can go to three dots and click delete right here. Now this will ask you delete this now. You can cancel or you can click delete. We'll click delete, and this will delete our BeReal or TikTok Now in this case, right? And then as you can see, I haven't posted today's now. I can post it right here, right? And here I can also see my suggested friends as well. So that's pretty much how to delete a Now on TikTok. If you have any questions or if you want more tutorials on TikTok Now, comment down below and yeah, I'll help you out. Thank you guys for watching.